For a government job in the judicial sector? Here's some great news for you. The Andhra Pradesh High Court has officially released a recruitment notification for 16020 vacancies across various posts, including junior assistant, stenographer, typist, field assistant, examiner, copyist, driver, record assistant, process server, and office subordinate. This is a golden opportunity for candidates with qualifications ranging from 7th pass to any graduate. The online application process begins on 13th May 2025, and the last date to submit your form is 2nd June 2025 by 11:59 p.m. Interested candidates can apply through the official website aph.gov.in. Talking about eligibility, candidates applying for these posts must meet the required educational qualifications based on the role. For example, some positions require 7th or 10th pass, while others need 12th pass or graduation. The minimum age for applicants is 18 years, and the maximum age limit is 42 years, as on 1st July 2025. However, age relaxation is applicable for reserved categories according to government norms. Now let's discuss the salary structure. The stenographer grade 3 will receive a pay scale of $34,580 to $107,210, while positions like junior assistant, typist, and field assistant offer salaries ranging from $25,220 to $80,910. Other posts like examiner, copyist, driver, and process server will have pay scales from $23,780 to $76,710. And office subordinate roles offer a salary between $20,000 and $61,960. The application fee for this recruitment is $800 for general BC and EWS candidates, while it is reduced to $400 for SC/ST and differently abled candidates belonging to Andhra Pradesh. The selection process includes a written test and/or skill test, depending on the post applied for. Complete exam and admit card details will be available on the official website. To apply, visit aphc.gov.in, click on the recruitment notification, register yourself with basic details, fill out the application form, upload the required documents, pay the application fee online, and finally submit the form before the deadline. So don't miss this amazing opportunity to secure a government job in the Andhra Pradesh High Court. If you found this information useful, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more daily job updates